A school anthem is more than just a song. It's a reflection of its values, spirit and unity. And now our talented students are here to proudly present the Adhyayana Anthem in a rap format, a tribute to the vision and pride of our institution. Let's listen and join in this celebration of our school's identity.
Rise and shine, heart so bright, heart so black, reaching new heights, knowledge makes us fun. Rise and shine, heart so bright, reaching new heights, knowledge makes us fun. Let us rise and shine, with hearts so bright, guided by wisdom, reaching new heights. The love in our hearts so pure and true, knowledge makes us man in all we do. Through every challenge, we find a way, with power and beauty, leading the day. Together we stand, united and strong. The Adhyayana, we belong. We are the future, strong and free. The hope and pride of our country. With every step we take, we will learn and grow, and light the world wherever we go. Our houses inspire us to strive and achieve. Now, knowledge, power, beauty, we weave. Together we build a legacy. The Adhyayana for eternity. Let us rise and shine, with hearts so bright, guided by wisdom, reaching new heights. Together we write a story of grace, as Adhyayana leads us to our place. Rise and shine, heart so bright, heart so black, reaching new heights, knowledge makes us fun. Rise and shine, heart so bright, reaching new heights, knowledge makes us fun. Let us rise and shine, with hearts so bright, guided by wisdom, reaching new heights. The love in our hearts so pure and true, knowledge makes us man in all we do. Through every challenge, we find a way, with power and beauty, leading the day. Together we stand, united and strong. The Adhyayana, we belong. We are the future, strong and free. The hope and pride of our country. With every step we take, we will learn and grow, and light the world wherever we go. Our houses inspire us to strive and achieve. Now, knowledge, power, beauty, we weave. Together we build a legacy. The Adhyayana for eternity. Let us rise and shine, with hearts so bright, guided by wisdom, reaching new heights. Together we write a story of grace, as Adhyayana leads us to our place.
Amazing students, what an electrifying performance, pure energy and talent on stage.